Hi, everyone, and welcome to this edition of AI News. 2025 has seen a lot of interesting things happening in this area, and I'm sure you know what I mean. Yes, we are talking about DeepSeek. It's come and really changed the dynamics. It caused one of the largest collapses in the US stock market. And let's therefore see what exactly is DeepSeek. So DeepSeek is a part of my favorite section within AI, yes, generative AI. And DeepSeek is from China. It launched its model in the late January 2025, and it, as I mentioned earlier, triggered a sharp decline in the market valuation across the AI value chain, from developers to infrastructure providers. And this, of course, affected the US market the most. So, five lessons that DeepSeek has brought out is one is that from pattern recognition, we are moving to problem solving. That means that large language models, which stole the show in 2023 and 24, will stand in awe of AI systems that can reason, plan, and operate autonomously. And two related trends will dominate the AI landscape this year: the rise of the reasoning models and the arrival of AI agents that are ready for prime time. These capabilities heavily rely on the reinforcement learning process, which is a method to train an intelligent agent to make a sequence of good decisions, right? So, the best part is that you can think of it like learning to play a video game. When you hit a bullseye or jump over a white ditch or guess a word, you earn points, right? So you learn to perform actions that are rewarded. The last generation of models, like the GPT models, were amazing pattern matchers. They pre-trained on vast quantities of information, and they blew us away with their uncanny next word predictions to respond to our prompt. While DeepSeek R1 is a free to all reasoning model. As our OpenAI has just released ChatGPT o3 Mini and Microsoft's Copilot o1 models, these models represent a crucial shift from uncertain next word prediction to methodical problem solving that relies on reinforcement learning. Reasoning allows them to perform certain tasks much better than prior models. Right. So if you are multiplying two large numbers, most people don't look at them and guess the answer. They need to pull out a pencil and, break the problem into steps and work it out, right? So reasoning models can do this. What that means is, with the capability to break down and reason through the problem, AI agents are able to learn to dynamically navigate the complex world. Of course, this has also DeepSeek is also in the headlines because it is reported that it was developed at a cost of just 5.5 million. This figure is, however, misleading because it mostly reflects the cost of single training run. Okay, and maybe does not cover the infrastructure cost. But it is true that it is much more reasonable in its development cost than these larger models that we are so very used to. That is the ChatGPT and the Copilot. So now let's go forward to understand Meta's major investment in AI infrastructure. So this was another piece which grabbed the headlines, and let's see how that works out for us. Let's talk about the spend of $65 billion that Meta says that it will plan for 2025. And Meta has also declared that it will hire for more AI roles, as well as build a large data center. And this comes into effect, this plan comes after Trump's unveiling of the 500 billion Stargate initiative, which we will talk about just in a bit. The Meta company, which owns Facebook, is amongst the buyers of NVIDIA's AI chips and aims that it will actually take about 1.3 million graphic processors, and bring its computing, to be top notch. So, as per the Meta team, this will be a defining year for AI, and this is a massive effort. And over the coming years, it will drive our core products and businesses. Yes, I'm talking about Mark Zuckerberg's comments in the media. Big technology firms have been investing tens of billions of dollars to develop AI infrastructure after the success of OpenAI's ChatGPT. Now, this brings us to the next item in our news. So the Stargate project is the largest of its kind. The US government has announced the Stargate project for $500 billion dollars, and it is a bid for AI dominance. This was announced by Donald Trump, the President of the United States, on the second day of his new term. And the Stargate intends to build up 20 large AI data centers in the US with the initial investment of $100 billion and plans for up to $500 billion dollars in investment by 2029. This is a monumental initiative which is aimed at reinforcing the US position as the undisputed global leader in artificial intelligence. And we have seen that this all has started and is riding on the on the shoulders of SoftBank's initial investment in this space in the United States. Talking a bit about Stargate, on its website, OpenAI posted a 300-word announcement about Stargate that mentioned building new AI infrastructure for OpenAI in the United States, and said that it will enable creativity and it will help people to figure out how to use AI to elevate humanity. So it is in line with OpenAI's company mission, emphasizing the development of artificial intelligence generalization. And in the long run, AGI, that is artificial general intelligence, is intended to perform a wide array of tasks with human-like intelligence, potentially revolutionizing fields including medical sciences, finance, medicine, and environmental science. For the project, SoftBank and OpenAI are categorized as lead partners, with SoftBank having financial responsibility and OpenAI having operational responsibility. The initial build out of 10 data centers has already begun. And as I've mentioned to you, that, Meta is already in the fray. It's also upping its investment in this space. Today, we're going to talk of a used case in Europe. So, Europol, the European law enforcement agency, has found itself right in the center of the shift of integrating AI into law enforcement, considering the drastic increase in the volume and velocity of data in the context of criminal investigations. AI has become indispensable in supporting the work of investigators in the fight against organized crime and terrorism. So, they have started using AI to figure out, how to make law enforcement faster, smarter. Uh, Europol uses AI to support high-profile investigations to extract and classify information from an increasingly large number of data sources. These are AI models allow analytics to analysts to search for images like cocaine bricks with a specific logo, or detect useful information in pictures like the number on the door of a shipment container, or the name and the date of birth from a picture of the badge, right? All these types of, cutting edge AI technology is being used. The analyst can validate the AI generated information and start looking for leads. And the decisions that require specific expert knowledge will always be performed by humans. But that initial going through multiple photographs from different CCTV cameras and the like, such type of information can be done fast and much better with AI. With this, I will want to end this session, and I really hope you have enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye.